Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to set up Sellfy store. We're currently on sellfy.com and all we need to do is to click on start free trial. You can do this at the top right corner or here on the main screen. And on this page we have the chance to start a 14-day free trial before paying. So we can put in our information here or you can decide to sign up with Google. And after using our Google, we have some setup pages to help Sellfy get our store started. We have to put in the name of the store and the link, and this link can actually be changed to your taste. The extension will be .sellfy.store and we can click on next. You're going to decide what you will be selling and we can say print on demand products. Click on next and here you have the category of your products. Clothing and accessories will be chosen and we can go on next. Here you get to add your socials such as TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. And currently, this is trying to set up your store. You're just going to give it a moment. Great, now we have our store, but our store needs a few more setups in order to look great. So for you, in order to set up your store, you just need to add your product by clicking on this button. And then you're going to click on customize your store by choosing your theme and customizing other details. And then you're going to select the payment gateway where customers can pay either with Stripe or with PayPal. And then after that, you can select your plan. So when you're ready to launch, you need to upgrade to a pay plan in order to activate checkout on your store. So if you have product, you need to have your pictures ready and lined up in order to add it to your store. And after you follow these 4 steps and your store is set up, you can come over here to the sidebar where you will have many other options to make the store your own. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to set up your Sellfy store.